Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to cash out your USDT from Coinbase wallet to your bank account. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transfers without wild price swings. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this quickly and securely. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a verified Coinbase account. That means your identity is confirmed, and your bank account is linked. It's crucial for smooth withdrawals. Also, check that you have enough USDT in your wallet and that you're aware of any potential fees, as crypto regulations have tightened up by 2025. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select the USDT you want to transfer. In 2025, Coinbase has upgraded its interface for easier navigation, so look for the Assets tab. Step 2. If your USDT isn't already converted, you'll need to exchange it to USD. Go to the Trade or Convert section, select USDT, and convert it to USD. This step is important because most banks don't accept crypto directly. It's all about getting it into fiat currency. Step 3. Now, head over to the Withdraw or Send option. Choose your bank account from the linked options, enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check everything. Coinbase's 2025 updates include enhanced security features like biometric verification, so use that to confirm the transaction. Once submitted, the transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on your bank and network congestion. A quick tip. Always monitor your transaction on the blockchain for USDT to ensure it goes through smoothly, and be mindful of any withdrawal limits set by Coinbase. Also, keep an eye out for taxes. Crypto transactions are reportable, so track your gains or losses. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll have your USDT converted and in your bank account in no time. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.